Hi there, today we're going to do an exercise with you about conditional statement in JavaScript. So the exercise is about to tell us the names of meals. We're talking about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So if the time is 8 till 11, it's the breakfast time. From 12 till 17, it's lunch time. From 18 till 21, it's dinner time. In other words, 8, 9, 10, and 11 by talking about breakfast. Okay? Right? 12, now 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. We are talking about lunchtime, right? Okay. And lastly, from 18, 19, 20, and 21, we're talking about dinner. Okay? So, first of all, we should to create a variable. Okay? So let's call it time. And let's assign the value, I don't know, 10 for example. Yeah. So if, and here between parentheses the condition, if time, for example, let's do the first line. If time is equal to 8 or higher or bigger than 8, now we're talking about 9, 10, 11, okay? So all equal to 8 and not bigger than 12. So to stop it in 11. All right. And time smaller than 12. Okay? In this case, 1, 2, and here we'll open the curly braces, the brackets, yeah, and write console log, okay, and let's say it's breakfast. Yeah? We end it with a semicolon, and here we have the first condition. Okay? As you can see, we have it here in the console. It's breakfast time. I put, for example, 30. I have nothing because it's out of this condition. Okay, it doesn't mean these conditions. Now, I want to add another condition, which is write else if, and the same between parentheses, I write the condition. I want the time to be smaller, to be bigger than 12, or equal 12. So, equal then, and I don't want it to be more than 17, okay? Time smaller than we are on the curly braces and write console log parentheses and I'm sorry, it's lunch time. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. For example, it's lunch time. Because If I write, for example, 11, so it's breakfast time. And the last one is else. Here, there's no need to put a condition, just write also top long parenthesis and quotes and say it's dinner time. Yeah. So it is 9. That's breakfast time. Okay. We do it like this. Okay. So if it's 9, it's breakfast time. If it is, for example, 18, it's dinner time. Okay, because 18 it's bigger than 17, so it's dinner time. Right. Right. It's dinner time. Yes. It's dinner time. Okay, I should. Okay. Better not. Dinner time. Well, I think it's dinner time. Yeah. So I hope this exercise will clarify a little bit the conditional statement in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. Nice day. Bye bye.